Welcome to the revised D7 third-party tools setup video, or I should say D7 with third-party tools. I've just downloaded D7 straight off the web and extracted it. We'll go ahead and start it up. This is the very first run. So I'm going to accept the EULA. And it says we have never visited D7's configuration. I am going to skip that for now. Cancel. And cancel that. Aha! Here we are. Set up third-party tools. This is going to pop up once you're done with your configuration screens. This basically gives you an idea of how to set up D7 with all of its third-party tools very quickly and easily. Kettering, the first thing you need, you can go here and download it. I already have that downloaded, so I'm just going to open that up. Now what we're going to do is step 2, unzip all files and put them in this directory. So if you just click here, it'll open the directory for you, and we just need to put the files there. Perfect. Okay, now we need to get 7-zip, and the revision in this video is I want you to get the 7-zip command line version right here in the center of the page. Command line version. You'll note that it's 32-bit. The reason why I revised this video and decided that you need the command line version is Kettering utilizes only the command line version, and that's all that's necessary. We kind of says to put them in the same directory as above, so we're going to go back to that directory. As I was saying about that's all that Kettering utilizes. The point being is that if you followed my earlier instructions and downloaded the 64-bit version of 7-zip for your operating system, that's all well and good, and everything would work just fine. However, the 64-bit executable, of course, if you were to put that on your flash drive and then try to run it off a 32-bit system, you're going to have lots of troubles. So that's why I'm revising this video. We're going to move on now to step 5. Click the update I'm sorry. Step 4. Click the D7 help menu and update third-party tools. Well, you don't see that menu now because you're not inside the normal D7 interface, but that's how you would normally open it up if you were inside the D7 interface. What we have right here is go there now, so I'll just click that. And here's a new window pops up. I'm going to go ahead and read step 5. Click the update default profile button. Follow instructions if the automatic update fails. Well, let's click the update default profile button and just see what happens. Perhaps I'll do a scenario for you where the update fails, but it's also self-explanatory. The update succeeded. Step 6. Ensure D7 default apps is the selected profile and click the Start Kettering button. Well, it is the selected profile now, and I'm going to start Kettering. And now Kettering has started with the default profile. You'll see step 7 inside Kettering, click Update All. When finished updating, close Kettering. Well, that's because that's all you have to do. Just click the Update All button, and it's going to update all of the third-party applications that are used with D7 or D7 utilizes in some way. Once these applications are done downloading, I will show you. Actually, I will show you right now. Just minimize this. If you need to get back to that window at any point in the future, just go to the help menu and then go to Update Third-Party Tools. Now you're probably going to want to do this from time to time because uh, newer versions of D7 will come out with newer functionality and abilities to use newer third-party tools. So you want to update the default profile from time to time, maybe even every time you do this. And you're going to want to start Kettering and let Kettering update your programs as well. While the first update can take quite a while to download all of these programs, I mean it's probably going to download about 60 meg or so, but it does a pretty good job of downloading things simultaneously. Um, Especially the smaller apps, it really plows through the smaller apps. But the good thing about Kettering is a lot of these updates, Kettering would be smart enough to know that the update hasn't changed, so it won't download the update in the future. So you're definitely going to want to use this, for example, even though once you already have all of these third-party tools in together. I mean, you go on site, you got your flash drive with you, maybe you haven't used it in a week or two. Okay, that's ridiculous. If we're all computer technicians here, but maybe you haven't used that particular flash drive in a few days, and there's a newer malware bytes or something else, newer super anti-spyware portable out. You're going to want to update those apps. So definitely going to want to check that out. Another cool feature that you can do on a day-to-day basis is you can design your own profiles with Kettering. And all you need to do to design your own profile with your own applications for Kettering to update is just erase this and type a new name in here. My own apps, and then click the Start Date Kettering button. And when you do that, Kettering will start with a blank profile, and from there you can add your own applications. Now, I'm not going to show you how to do that because I'm not going to show you how to use Kettering. Kettering is something that I am still learning how to use, and I am definitely not using it to its full potential. It's an excellent program, and it's wonderful at keeping all your software up to date. So check that out from the makers of Kettering at I forget where that was. Kettering. It's in the setup screen. You'll go there. Yes, here we are. Kettering.org. There we are. Any case, I believe that about wraps up this video. We've got D7 set up with all of its third-party tools. I know some of you want to know how to add custom applications and such to D7, and I promise you I will work on that video very soon. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.